As you're watching this loaf come together, I want you to notice how simple the process is. Freshly milled organic hard red wheat, water, and an egg, honey, olive oil, sunflower lecithin, totally optional, sea salt, and actually the egg and the lecithin optional. It just gives it a little bit more fluff. But what you're seeing here isn't just bread being made. It's food in its most honest form. One of the biggest conversations happening right now revolves around modern wheat, gluten, and grains as a whole. And while I understand why people feel so confused and even frustrated, the truth is what most of us have been reacting to isn't wheat itself or gluten. It's what's been done to it. The majority of bread on grocery store shelves is made with flour that has been milled days, weeks, or even months before it ever reaches your home. Some of the most vital parts, the bran and the wheat germ, have been stripped out. Once wheat is milled, it begins to oxidize quickly. It also needs all of its cofactors to behave properly in your body. As culture has been stripping away the vital nutrients that are necessary for true absorption and assimilation in the body, what's left is often empty carbs, fortified back with synthetic vitamins, which will not behave the same. And it's combined with seed oils, which are inflammatory, preservatives, a lot of preservatives, and dough conditioners that were never meant to nourish us, nor will they. If I had to buy bread from the store, the only one I personally trust is the Ezekiel bread from Food for Life. And if you examine the majority of the gluten-free breads on the market, they are also filled with fillers and ingredients that over time will irritate the digestive system. The Ezekiel bread is organic, it's clean, it's free from seed oils, and it is made with wholesome ingredients. That said, many people tell me they struggle with its dense texture and lack of flavor. It fills a gap, it did for me for years, but it's not the same experience as fresh bread made at home. What you're seeing here is bread made from freshly milled grain, and that difference matters more than most people realize. When wheat is milled fresh and used immediately, it provides at least 40 of the 44 essential nutrients that the body needs. What's even more incredible is what research is beginning to show. When consumed in its whole, unaltered form, those nutrients work synergistically in the body, creating over 70 supportive reactions. That's not hype, that's design. Fiber is one of the most deficient nutrients in the American diet. Alongside complex carbohydrates, plant-based protein, essential fats, and minerals, your body recognizes and knows how to use. This is why so many healing stories you hear, including those on Sue's Healthy Minutes podcast, are tied to bread made this way. Not always sourdough. In fact, most of them aren't. Sourdough is wonderful, but it is not required to experience the benefits of properly prepared, fresh milled bread. There is something deeply grounding about returning to food the way it was intended. Scripture speaks often about grain, bread, and daily provision. Not as something to fear, but as nourishment. Food designed by the designer to sustain life then and now. And before you think this has to be complicated or time-consuming, it doesn't. You can batch prepare dough, bake multiple loaves, and freeze them so homemade bread fits into real life, not just ideal life. The mixer I am using can support up to 6 loaves at a time. For those asking where to start, we source our hard red and our hard white wheat from 4 generations, and I will leave their information in the description below. The reason why we chose them is because they focus on organic, properly stored grains meant to be milled fresh at home. I have my ordering link and discount code below. Using it saves you money and supports this channel through a small commission which allows me to keep creating and teaching. I've also linked my favorite grain mill and mixer so you can build a simple setup that actually lasts. If this video challenged something you've believed about bread, grains, or gluten, I'd love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments if you've noticed a difference when switching to fresh mill flour, or if you're curious but hesitant to try. Share this with someone who's been told bread is the enemy, not to argue, but to offer a different perspective. And if this kind of teaching matters to you, please stay connected. There's a better way to eat, and sometimes it starts with something as simple as bread made at home.
Looks great, Ed.
Thank you.